Atlantic's InfiColor Smart Module and mobile application are at the heart of the color-changing lighting system. Through the application, users can program custom color sequences, transitions, set sequence timing, and daily scheduling via enhanced range Bluetooth. The InfiColor module offers complete control of 3 individual zones and is compatible with all color-changing lighting systems and color-changing color falls, past and present. In this video, we'll show you how to set up the InfiColor Smart Module and color-changing lighting. The InfiColor Smart Module provides 40 watts to each of the 3 zones. The zones may be linked and synchronized as desired in the app. Add up the wattage of each light, which can be found in the catalog, packaging, instructions, or the website to find the total wattage of the group. The wattage shown is the highest wattage that the light will draw. For example, if you have 4 CC-CS2 spotlights, 2 CC-CS4 spotlights, and 1 CC-BL5 bar light, your total wattage would be 21 watts. The transformer that is included with the Smart Module will power up to 30 watts of lighting. You may choose to use a higher powered transformer for larger systems up to a maximum of 40 watts per zone for a total of 120 watts per InfiColor Smart Module. We offer additional transformers in 60 watts, 88 watts, and 150 watts. 20-foot extensions are available to increase the distance between lights, but there is a limit to the length of any lighting run. The number of extension cords you can use consecutively depends on the total wattage of the zone. If your total wattage is 10 watts or less, you may use up to 4 extension cords anywhere in the zone. 10 to 20 watts, 3 extension cords. 20 to 30 watts, 2 extension cords. And if your total wattage is from 30 to 40 watts, only 1 extension cord may be used per zone. First, apply the provided dielectric grease to the pins of the plugs on the module and light cords. Dielectric grease will help make the connections weatherproof and insulate the connections against short circuits. Then, align the flat keys of the plugs and connect them. Be sure to push the plug all the way in until the O-ring is flush against the other connection point. Bear in mind, with enough effort and the lubrication of the grease, the plugs can be forcibly misaligned. Misalignment will damage the lighting components. The keys must line up to avoid damage. To aid in properly aligning connections, dry fit and make a line with a silver permanent marker across both connectors. This will assist in aligning plugs after dielectric grease is applied. In the future, all connection points will have alignment arrows on the plugs. Tighten the threaded ring, then wiggle the 2 plugs and retighten. Repeat if necessary. The InfiColor Smart Module and all Atlantic color-changing lighting are fully forward and backward compatible. The InfiColor Smart Module includes 3 module adapters. These adapters are only to be used if replacing a sole color-changing control module with remote control with the InfiColor Smart Module. Once you convert one or more zones on an InfiColor Smart Module using the provided module adapter to older sole lighting, all lights and wiring on that zone must be sole lighting components. Adding the new lights or any new wiring to that zone or zones will cause system failure. New lighting can be added to any other zone on the Smart Module without using an adapter. The new color-changing lights include an adapter to replace the lights in previous generation sole color-changing lighting systems. Most importantly, module adapters and lighting adapters cannot be used on the same line. Using both types of adapters on the line will damage the lighting components. As we transition fully from sole color changing lighting to the InfiColor system, the adapters will no longer be needed, and we will no longer include them. They will still be available for purchase for legacy adaptations when required. Install the InfiColor Smart Module by mounting above ground on a wall or post in a well-ventilated area within reach of a properly grounded outlet. Keep the power to the Smart Module disconnected until all connections are properly completed. The Bluetooth-powered InfiColor Smart Module is controlled wirelessly through our InfiColor app, available for any Apple or Android mobile device. To set up the 3 zones of the module, open your InfiColor app and choose your Smart Module. All of the Smart Modules within extended Bluetooth range will be shown. Enter the factory 8-digit password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once opened, you can customize passwords, module names, and zones as you wish. Click the drop-down menu. Edit the names of the control module outlets or zones on the zone settings page. These zone names will be visible throughout the app. Each zone has an individual timer function to turn the zone on and off at set times. Click the Save button to save changes. A box will come up confirming the settings have been saved. If you have more than one InfiColor Smart Module, plug one module in at a time to rename each one. Use the Color tab to choose solid colors for different zones. Start by selecting 1, 2, or all 3 of the zone buttons at the top of the screen. Using the color picker, the red, green, and blue sliders, or the warm white and bright white buttons. Choose your desired color and the brightness by adjusting the slider. The Favorites tab stores preset color changing sequences. Select 1, 2, or all 3 zones. Choose a sequence of colors, then choose the transition between them, the speed of the sequence, and the brightness. The Custom tab creates and stores custom color changing sequences. Move the red, green, and blue sliders to choose the color, or select it from the color picker. Once you have decided on the color, click the plus button to add it to the sequence. Repeat as desired. Add up to 10 colors to a sequence. Once the sequence has been created, it can be named and saved. The saved sequence will be available on the Favorites page. The Edit button deletes stored favorites you have created. Our pond lights come with a single zone InfiColor Smart Module. This smart module uses the same InfiColor application, but will only allow you to control Zone 1. All other functions are fully enabled.